Hi, Ivana Graham here. I'm going to talk about the tools in Dyslexia Toolkit. And today our topic is tool number 6, silent reading. Now, unfortunately, silent reading has been lost in the muddle of testing, and I'm not sure why, because it's very important. I had a student with cerebral palsy. He was 6 years old, and his private school told him that they could not teach him to read, told his mother, they could not teach him to read because he couldn't speak. Well, that's crazy. CP kids learn to read all the time, and so do autistic kids who can't speak, and so do people whose tongues just don't work. You don't have to speak to read, because obviously most people don't go around reading out loud all the time. They're reading silently, and the reading teacher can teach silent reading first if needed. And it's often a very good idea for dyslexic students. So how do you teach silent reading first? I explain it all right here in this chapter, and it's really not that hard. You do tracking, so the student listens and watches at the same time. You do scanning, where the student points at the word you say. And after you've done that for a while, it's a very easy bridge to silent reading, where you ask the student to read a sentence or a paragraph silently without even saying the words in their head, and then in some way they can communicate that meaning. And I talk about how to assess playfully with games in this book. So we'll talk about another tool in the toolkit next time.